Wonder World.
Welcome to the latest Wonder World. Today we're going to be decorating gingerbread cookies.
We're gonna make gingerbread cookies. We're gonna make gingerbread cookies. We're gonna make gingerbread cookies today.
It's so good. I really want another one. Me too. La 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 la. Emily! Come on. So yummy. Delicious. One for you, and one for me. So yummy! It's so pretty. So yummy. I love it. Emily! Wow. Yeah. Shake it out. Awesome! So cool! Delicious! Now we're going to be making a gingerbread house!
We're gonna make gingerbread cookies. We're gonna make gingerbread cookies. We're gonna make gingerbread cookies today.
Make a mess! Awesome! Most beautiful gingerbread house ever! Elsa! Let it go! Let it go! Can't hold it back anymore! Let it go! Let it go! Turn away and slam the door! I don't care what they're going to say! Let the snow It's good! Hey guys, thanks for watching!